Hello friends, welcome to another video from Money School. I hope you all had a good weekend and now you're ready to get down to learning something again today. I've got a good video for you today. I'm going to show you how you can make money online as an affiliate from Clickbank, even if you're a beginner, even if you haven't got a website. I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial, and if you stay till the end, I've got a bonus at the end to show you how you can speed this up and make even more money with it. So let's get started. Okay, so clickbank.com. Now I'm gonna suppose that you don't know what Clickbank is, so I'll give you a quick overview. Clickbank is just a website where people create their own products. Could be digital products, it could be physical products, it could be courses, anything, and then they apply to sell it on Clickbank, and then affiliates come in, find the product, ask to promote it, and then they promote it and get a percentage from every sale that they get. So that's how affiliate marketing works. If you imagine you've got, I don't know, you've got an apple and you want to sell it for £1, and I say I'm going to sell the apple for you, but I want 70 pence for selling the apple for you. That's affiliate marketing, isn't it, really? And that's all that happens. So you just come to Clickbank and you just sign up, press sign up. I don't need to show you how to do that, it's very self-explanatory. But if you've watched videos before, they'll show you how to go into Clickbank, you search or health, wellness and making money online. But I do it a better way. I think this is a lot better. You come to a site called cbsnooper.com and it's free. You just enter your email address and a password, confirm your email, sorry, and then you got access. I mean, I don't know how long this is going to be free for, because I'm sure they could charge for this, because it is really good. And what you get everything on Clickbank, like your top 5 Clickbank products here. You've got your top 5 rising products, your top 5 falling ones, and then there's a few other things at the bottom which don't interest us for today. We're interested in this, and it's the top 5 rising products. And you can see here you've got Java Burn, and it's got a gravity of 433.66, and that means 443 people have made a sale in the last 30 days. The 0.668 is just with refunds and everything. Yeah, basically just refunds. It doesn't end up rounding off. But yeah, so if you've got Java Burn, and it's gone up 30 gravity, I think that's in the last week. So it's a fast rising product, and I've already researched this, and it's a good product to promote. So all you do is you come into Clickbank and you find Marketplace, which you can see at the top there. You click on Marketplace once you've signed up, and you just come to the search bar, type in Java Burn, and it will come straight to the top there. And then all you do is you press promote, request to promote it, press generate hop link, and then copy your hop link to your clipboard. Now I get asked a lot of times what this tracking ID is for, and this is just for tracking your links. So if I was to put in there, I don't know, I'll put YouTube. So I type in YouTube, and then you'd have to press generate hop link, and then you would have to generate a hop link for every platform you're going to use it on. So you could have YouTube, you could have one for Twitter, you could have one for Instagram, and that way you know who's clicking on links and where it's coming from. But it's advanced. You don't really need it as a beginner. But I just thought I'd clear it up because I get asked this every day. So yeah, that's what that's all about there. So you've generated your hop link. Now you saw the length of the hop link. It's very, very long. Now I always shorten my links, and I use a site called Bitly, or an even better one is a site called Rebrandly. And you just, same as the CB Snooper, you just go and put your name and email address in, put your link in the box, and it will automatically shorten it for you. In fact, I don't even think you need to sign up. I think it's got a box where you can just go put your link in, it'll shorten it automatically for you. So yeah, so I did a little bit of research about Java Burn, and it's got some ads running, but apart from that, there's not very much, as in reviews from very good sites. I've researched these sites, and they've only got a low domain ranking. So if you do the right keyword research and put the right keywords in and do a good article with some good images, you've got a chance of ranking this on the front page, because we'll be using a site called medium.com here, and you just sign up for an account, you click on your icon and you just click to write a story, and away you go. Now if you have a look at this site, SimilarWeb, and I've put in medium.com, this shows you just how good. I mean, it's worldwide, it's global, and it gets 165 million views every month. And that's not the best thing, is most of the traffic is good traffic. Look, 26% from the United States, 3% United Kingdom, Canada, Brazil, and it's all good traffic. So all you would do is go back to, if you don't know about Java Burn, and simply just check these reviews out, have a read through them, see what you think, and then write a review. I mean, don't copy it word for word, because it'll just get done for plagiarism, but write a good review about it, and you've got a good chance if you know how to do keyword research. If you're not sure what keywords to use, go to a site called answerthepublic.com and just write in Java Burn review, and Answer the Public will churn out all the key phrases that you should be using in the article. Use about 6, put them in 2 or 3 times in the article, and you've got a good chance of it ranking. Okay, so I said at the end I would give you a bonus of how you can do this even better. Now if you come to this site here called Spin Rewriter, let's have a look. Spin Rewriter, it's got a 5-day trial. Now if you sign up with my link for the 5-day free trial, which is in my description, you get 7 free bonuses as well, worth $250, which you get to keep even if you don't continue with Spin Rewriter. So it's worth just doing the free trial to get my free bonuses, and a couple of them you can use yourself if you want to include bonuses with your affiliate link. So it's a win-win. But all you would do is you come to rewrite a single article, and you would copy one of the articles, copy and paste one of the articles from the Java Burn, and you just paste it in there. You see, you just paste it in, no problem, and then just click rewrite article, which it would, and then once you rewrite the article, you get a button down below and it says export, and it goes into your download folder. Just simply go to your downloads, open it up, and then use that article in Medium. Now the good thing about Spin Rewriter is it'll do you 1,000 different articles, so you can pick the best out of them. You can go back to Clickbank, go back to CB Snooper, find some new upcoming products, do some reviews on them, put them in Medium, use my bonuses, what I've given you from Spin Rewriter, and you'll get sales. I'm telling you, you'll get sales. So yeah, any questions or comments, guys, leave them in. I answer every comment, and ask as many questions as you really want, because I answer them all. So yeah, I'll be back tomorrow to show you some more ways that you can make money online, and please like, comment, share and subscribe. See you later.